Hello again, this is Ron Vargo at Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here in Jackson, Georgia today. Today I'm going to bring you our brand new 2025 Peterbilt Model 220 cab over. It's got a 10,000 pound steer axle capacity, 17,000 pounds on the drive axle. This is an under CDL unit. It has a 260 horse Paccar PX7, which is the same motor as the Cummins ISB. They just paint it gray. Spring rear suspension, air brakes. It's got a 557 gear. Transmission is an Allison 2500 RDS series. Battery disconnect mounted on the frame. Let's take a look inside the cab. So you got an air ride cloth seats, some power windows and locks. These cabs have a lot more space in them than our competitors from Isuzu. Plenty of overhead storage. We have 3 of these trucks available. One is right now at Morgan getting a 26-foot van body put on it. And we have 2 cab chassis here that you can put whatever body you want on it. So if you think that one of these trucks will work for you, give me a call, 706-372-4698. You can email me, rvargo@peatlanta.com. And if this isn't the chassis for you, we also have plenty of under CDL 536 chassis. We have 537, 33,000 GVW chassis available. We've got some tandem 548 chassis available. We've also got some tandem 567 chassis available.